Hello, future entrepreneurs. Today, we are going to demystify a topic that's often overlooked but holds immense importance when you're starting a business. The big question is this: can two businesses have the same address? Before we answer this question, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Well, the simple answer to the big question in this video is yes. Two businesses can have the same address. But before you rush to share an address with another business, let's delve deeper into this subject. Sharing an address can be beneficial for startups and small businesses. Rent can be expensive, and according to the Small Business Administration, nearly 50% of small businesses start at home to cut costs. But remember, this doesn't mean you can simply use any address. Each business must be registered to operate legally, and for that, you need a physical address. Not a P.O. box, but a real physical location. Shared office spaces, co-working spaces, or business incubators often house multiple businesses under the same roof. For example, in the USA, there are over 19,000 co-working spaces, and they've seen a growth of nearly 16% annually over the last 5 years. However, you must be mindful about potential challenges. Shared addresses can sometimes confuse customers, create mail mix-ups, or even raise red flags during credit or background checks. And remember, in some places, zoning laws or landlord agreements might prevent multiple businesses from operating at the same location. So, do your homework, check local regulations, and make sure your landlord is on board too. To sum up, yes, two businesses can share the same address, but be sure to navigate the potential pitfalls and follow all necessary legal guidelines. Don't let an address hold you back from your entrepreneurial dreams. Go forth and make your mark on the business world. If you need more information about setting up your business, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion about two businesses sharing an address? Should the government continue to allow this to happen? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.